Let's talk about Monday. But the weekend's going to be nice. Clear skies tonight. It's sunny tomorrow. It's partly sunny on Sunday. It's dry. We have a little bit of rain in the forecast Monday. This is 7 o'clock Monday. We cloud up. Monday's a pretty cloudy day. I don't have a lot of rain around Monday. During the day. About 20–30% of us during the day see rain. This is Monday at 7 p.m. Monday night. Look at this. I have pretty widespread rain in the forecast. Right now, I don't have severe weather in the forecast. I'm not going to rule it out. And if we do have a chance, right now it appears as though it would be extremely low. But 60–70% of us Monday night see rain. Then watch Tuesday. High coverage in the morning, and then we start to see it taper off as we head through the afternoon. Now we're into Wednesday. This is Wednesday. Cloudy day. Oh, you see what that's sleet and freezing rain. It starts Wednesday afternoon, according to this model. It continues Wednesday night. Thursday morning, we have rain mixing in with sleet and freezing rain. That's sleet and freezing rain. It could possibly happen here Thursday morning in Dallas, Fort Worth. See how it's right on the cusp? That's Friday morning, then we finally clear out, and we'll have next weekend will be a nice weekend. So let me break it down a little bit more. The European model yesterday had a little bit of snow in Dallas, Fort Worth. Now it's pushed it all back to the northwest. The American model yesterday had a little snow in Dallas, Fort Worth. That's moved it back to the northwest. The Canadian model keeps all the snow out of here except for maybe a covering up in Bowie. Now let's talk about ice. Yesterday, the European model had a lot of ice across Dallas, Fort Worth, a tenth to a quarter. That has pushed that back to the west. But the American model, you'll still going with a coating or a covering of ice here in Dallas, Fort Worth next Wednesday and Thursday. And the Canadian model still looking at about a tenth of an inch of ice. So that's a coating or a covering, pretty similar to what we had in the Metroplex just 2 weeks ago. We'll continue to watch that and keep you updated. Right now, though, there are plenty of indicators that are showing Dallas-Fort Worth does have that chance for not only a cold rain, but with sleet and freezing rain mixing in. To the south and also to the east, looks like right now just cold rain. We're 5 days away. Not only can a lot change, but a lot certainly will change. So stay tuned. We'll keep you updated on the forecast. The forecast tonight has all that in it. 32. That's the low tonight. Light winds, dry, clear skies, cold night tonight, a 26th freeze of the season. So we're kind of right on schedule as far as freezes go. Tomorrow will be warmer than today. Today in the middle 50s. Tomorrow in the middle to upper 60s. I'm going 66 tomorrow. Sunny skies and a dry day tomorrow. There's the next 10. How about 71 on Sunday? Yeah. That's not bad. Not bad for a little south breeze right there, Joe, just enough to have the built-in excuse. South 15 to 25, 82 on Monday. 20–30% of us see rain during the day. 60–70% of us see rain Monday night. 30–40% of us see rain on Tuesday morning, and then we dry out in the afternoon. 68, that's not bad. Then the Arctic front blasts through. That sets the stage. The cold air's in place on Wednesday. You see, we're in the 30s. The cold air's in place on Wednesday. The front's well to the south of us, and an upper-level disturbance rolls in from the high plateaus of northern Mexico, the desert southwest. That provides the lift. That's what will trigger either the cold rain or the sleet and the snow and the freezing rain across the area. That would last into Thursday of next week. So people have been asking me tonight on the tweeter how long before you can accurately come up with some numbers. Well, none of the models give us any numbers like how much ice or any specifics. So right now we're kind of looking at it like it's grandma's TV. It's the old black and white with the rabbit ears. That's what we have. That's the model data that we have. When do we get the high definition stuff? It's about 48 hours from the actual beginning of the event. Okay. So stay tuned over the weekend. We'll keep you updated, and certainly early next week as well.